Hello, welcome to Honest Portuguese. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be doing a Seafood Cataplana, which is a cooking vessel from Portugal. It's a brass cooking vessel. Super excited to use this thing. I love using this thing. As you can see, it's got some wear and tear on it. It is an old one. I did pick it up at an eBay. I wish it was a family heirloom, but it was someone's family heirloom because they got it shipped into me and it's authentic and everything. So we're going to be doing this today. We're also going to be making a pimenta, a Lisbon paste to go on top of the Cataplana. So we're going to be doing two little things. We're going to be moving. This is going to be a very quick video, meaning things are going to be moving. Very simple. If you don't have a Cataplana, you can use a casserole dish with a lid. You can use a pressure cooker. You can use even an Instapot, a controlled Instapot. Be careful, okay? So I'm going to go through some ingredients here. I have a hot plate there. I have my boy Carlo Rossi. This time I'm going to be using his Chablis. Most of the time I use his Burgundy. He let me use it. We have some potatoes. We have some 14 to 16 shrimps, which is how many shrimp per pound, okay? 14 to 16. We have some jumbo shrimp here. I wish I had some langostinos, but I live in a landlocked area, so good luck on those. We have about 20 clams. They're the bigger variety. They're not the big gigantic ones, but these are going to do here. We have 3 red peppers, 1 yellow, 1 green, a beautiful tomato, some sea salt, ground black pepper, and some cilantro and some cod here for it. As another star of the show, as every show of mine, we have this beautiful Portuguese olive oil. You know the story. You know how much I love that stuff, so I can put a straw in it and drink it. Paprika is going to be another staple that I always use on here. We're going to start with grilling and blackening our peppers, roasting them, so we can make our pimenta or what is called the Lisbon paste. So if you want to come on over, I'll show you how to do it the household kitchen way. Okay, if you have a different way, an open fire or anything, but this is how I do it. Don't really know if it's going to void any warranty on my fancy stove, but I'm willing to take the chance. So come on over here. So we have 2 of the beautiful red peppers. I'm going to turn my gas stove on too high, the highest burner I got, the biggest burner, butane wise. Place on top, 1 on each side, without burning anything. This is probably going to take, to round it and turn it black, probably going to take anywhere from 7 to 10 minutes to do it correctly. You cannot mess this up, okay? So just to heat up the peppers, just continually turn them, and you'll be hearing popping from the skin pulling away from the meat on there, and that's what you want. And then I'll show you what we do and how we're able to pull the skin off super easy for our paste that we're going to be making. Okay, so see how charred those are all around? I'm going to put those in a bowl, turn the heat off, then take some saran wrap, press and seal wrap, whatever you got. We're going to put these babies to sleep for just a little bit. What this is going to do is it's all sealed in there. It's going to steam these, finish the cooking process, also separate the skin from the meat on this. So we got that all going. So we're going to go back to the Cataplana. While our peppers are steaming, getting ready for the paste, we're going to start assembling the Cataplana, okay? So I'm going to grab it over here. What I did while we were waiting here, everyone knows how to cut peppers. I basically cut the Portuguese flag, okay? All the colors of the Portuguese flag. I got my beautiful red peppers, my green, my yellow, boom, I got the flag. And also this wonderful beefsteak tomato I cut up that I'm also going to be putting in there, including the potatoes. This is going to be one wonderful thing. We're going to start by warming this up and just begin the cooking process. We're not going to put it all together. I'm going to grab some of my beautiful Portuguese olive oil, put it at the bottom of the pan, bleep, whip. Okay, and then I'm going to take some garlic, just a couple cloves. And if you're garlic happy, then obviously do more. but 2 should be good. Just kind of give it a quick little slice. Don't have to do anything fancy. I love this Cataplana. If you can, they're kind of tough to find, and they're kind of expensive. There are aluminum ones which do the job fine also. I got lucky, bought mine on eBay. So I'm going to do my garlic in there just a little bit, and then while that's kind of cooking, I'm going to take just a little bit of pepper and sea salt, and do the things that are probably going to take the longest to cook. Line it up with some potatoes, many potatoes as you want if you want to get a starch, a lot of carbs. Some of these don't just have a few potatoes. I'm just going to probably do probably 4 all in there. I'm going to take my wine, get it ready for when I'm ready. I'm going to just do about 3/4 of a cup of the wine. Maybe, my wines are heavy-handed pours, so actually that's about a cup. So all this is going, I'm going to turn this down so I don't burn the garlic. We're going to then put the wine in and start assembling our Cataplana, okay? So, green, yellow, red. We're gonna do the clams. Just dump them there. You can't, it is gonna look pretty, but you also don't have to be perfect on this. It's gonna take care of itself. I'm gonna add the shrimp. I'm not going to close it yet because we're waiting on the pimento sauce. This is going to be enough for 2 people or just me, whatever is easier. I'm going to take my pieces of cod, kind of make them look like they between the jumbo shrimp. I wish lagastanos, but that's okay. So I'm going to bring my peppers over here. They should be ready. Right there. I'm going to take them under the water. And look at all that, the char and everything just takes right off. Give a little bit of flavor. Go to my blender. Do the second one. See how easy that is? Okay, I have the minced garlic. Probably about an eighth of a cup of minced garlic. Pepper, salt, some paprika, about a tablespoon in there. And then I'm going to take my olive oil, about a half a cup of olive oil or so. Pour it in the blender. Don't forget to put the lid on and blend it till it gets a nice paste. Hence, Lisbon paste. Let that go for a little bit. See how this is coming. Looks wonderful. Okay, now I'm going to pour this pimenta, version of a pimenta. Yeah, I get there's a lot of different versions. All on top of there. Take the lid. Seal that little baby. And then we wait. This is where patience, all us Portuguese people have the patience. And so I'm not worried about doing anything crazy like opening up too early or anything because I'm just going to be able to wait. So it should be anywhere from probably 8 to 12 minutes on there. There being some potatoes in there that I did put in there. I'm going to let it go about 10, 11 minutes. Okay, we've been letting this Cataplana cook for about 12, 15 minutes. And I let it cook a little bit longer because I have potatoes in there. If I didn't have potatoes in there, I'd probably cut it down by a couple minutes. But as you can see, the steam is coming out. I'm going to release the sides. Hear that little snap. And get the handle down. we have magic. And as you see that that wonderful Lisbon paste is on top of the cod, a little bit on top of the jumbo shrimp. Down below, okay, I'm having a tough time talking because I'm mouth watering here. So everything is cooked beautifully. Get a couple of those shrimp. Hot peppers. The clams are wide open saying, "Someone eat me, please." That juice. What you can do with that juice too, see that beautiful juice? When it's done, if you don't want to eat right away, you can take everything out, put a little bit of rice in there, close it back up, wait 10, 12 minutes, and you'll have the best tasting rice going. Let's see these potatoes. There's a potato. What else do we have here? Get another one of these. Okay, let me try to get a real shot in there without spilling it. The hot plate is off. This thing is worth its weight in gold. Look at that juice. If you have a hard bread, yeah, you're gonna, again, tough time talking. Okay, I'm gonna have one of these wonderful clams. I opt with the skin on, so I don't eat these as fast as I could. Takes me a little while to work for my food. If I happen to eat a leg or two, it's not going to kill me. I'm good at what I do. Our people who invented this thing, no one's promoting this thing. I'm on it. I'm on it. Get me on Shark Tank. Okay, we are going to take a bite of this. Another cod, wonderful. I'm so excited. I've got to put some cilantro as a garnishing. You could use parsley, use whatever you want. But, whoa, that cod. Whoa, that cod is good. Look at that potato. Woo, ha. Woo. Folks, I'm going to eat on this for a little bit. Again, Cataplana, Seafood Cataplana with the Lisbon paste, with the pimenta, whatever you want to call it. Money, money, money. Thank you for watching. Like me on YouTube, follow me on Facebook, do all that fancy social media stuff that you know how to do. If you don't know how to do it, get your kids to help you. Again, be nice, be safe. Thank you.